Part of the work of any museum is to consider the stability and the condition of the objects in the collections. And in terms of conservation, we have a laboratory on the second floor of the museum which houses an interesting variety of different equipment for carrying out conservation. So here we have a fume cupboard for extracting dangerous or hazardous fumes from chemical processes. Lots of test tubes, retort stands, glass flasks, different pieces of chemical apparatus, and this fascinating piece of equipment on the wall, which looks like something out of Frankenstein's laboratory. You can relax because it's not actually used anymore, but it's been left for the purposes of interest. I believe it's a voltmeter or possibly a device for measuring electrical resistance. We also have an X-ray machine. X-ray machines are very valuable for looking at the internal structures of various objects and telling you what's happening inside that you might not be able to see. Can tell you about rates of decay and all sorts of interesting features. Binocular microscopes. This piece of apparatus is a traditional thermohydrograph which records temperature and humidity, and it works by the action of a strand of horsehair located within the cage, and the horsehair reacts to different levels of humidity. The more humid the atmosphere, the longer the horsehair, and that movement is recorded on a rotating paper drum. More pieces of microscopes, glass bottles, light sources, and something called an abrasive unit, which can be used for specialised cleaning purposes of various museum objects. And any toxic or flammable chemicals under health and safety law have to be stored in proper fireproof cabinets. Thank you for watching this video clip, part of a series of video clips from the Virtual Museum of Gloucester.